guys, welcome back to my channel Knowledge World, and in today's video I would be explaining what is Scratch application and its components and how to draw simple shapes using this application. So first I will explain what is Scratch. Scratch is a computer application that can be used to give instructions to the computer, and like we can give simple instructions to the computer using this application. And now I will explain its components. First, this character is called sprite. It moves on the stage. Stage is the area over which the sprite moves. This is the block palette. It has different instructions that a computer can follow. All instructions related to one task are grouped together in a block. Like all instructions related to motion block are given in the motion block, and all instructions related to looks are given in the looks block. And likewise, all instructions related to sound are given in the sound block. Now it has three tabs: costume tab, sound tab, and scripts tab. And this option is choose a sprite from library. Using this we can choose a new sprite from the library, and this option is paint a new sprite. It helps to paint a new sprite. This is upload sprite from file. We can add sprite from the file in our computer to this application. And this is new sprite from camera. We can click a picture from the camera and add it as a new sprite. And there are some tools given here also. This is the delete. It helps us to delete the sprite. This is the grow button. It helps us to increase the size of the sprite. And this is the shrink button. It helps us to decrease the size of the sprite. And this is the scripts area. We write the instruction for the sprite to do here. Now I will teach you to draw some easy shapes using this application. First I will teach you how to draw a square. To draw a square, first we have to choose the command when green flag clicked. Then we have to drop in this option in the scripts area. And then we have to choose the option go to x0, y0. Then clear. It clears all the drawing on the stage. And then we have to use pen down command. It helps to add the trail to the sprite, and this is set pen color to. And now we will use this. It changes the color of the pen. We can change its color by clicking on the color and selecting the new color like this. And now we have to select the option of repeat. Then we have to type 4 instead of 10 here and repeat. Now I will select the move dash steps. Now I will enter a number which I want, like I want 100, so I will write 100 and put it in the repeat. And now I will choose the option turn dash degrees, so I can enter the number of degrees I want to make the sprite move. Turn, like I want to make it turn 90 degrees, so I will write 90 and insert it here. Now our whole script is ready, and now I will execute it by clicking when flag clicked option. Now look, The square has made the square. The sprite has made the square. Now, likewise, we can make draw different shapes using this. Now, instead of this command for the square, we can also write the commands for the rectangle. Now I will type 100 again here and drop it here and turn 90 degrees, move 50 steps, turn 90 degrees, move 100 steps, turn 90 degrees, move 50 steps, turn 90 degrees. Now I will execute my script. Look, a square rectangle has been made. Now I will teach you how to draw a triangle using this. I will move 100 steps and I will add turn 90 degrees, no, 120 degrees, sorry, I have written it by mistake. Again move 100 steps. You can either write 3 times the same thing, or you can use the repeat command. You can take out how many degrees we have to turn by dividing the number of sides the particular shape has and dividing it by 360. Now I will again insert the turn 120 degree command, 120 degree, and move 100 steps, and again turn 120 degrees. Now I have repeated it 3 times. Now I will execute it. Look, a triangle has been formed. I have used 3 times this move 100 steps, turn 120 degrees. Instead of this, we can write it only one time and use the repeat 3 times command. As a triangle has 3 sides, so we are repeating it 3 times. Look, the same shape has been drawn. So that is all for today's video. Comment down below if you have any query related to this video, and I will be posting the next part again soon. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.